Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Monument Valley sits in northeastern Arizona, defined by vast open land and a skyline shaped by towering sandstone formations. The scale is immediate. The landscape stretches outward in every direction, with isolated buttes and mesas rising sharply from the desert floor. There is very little between them, which makes each formation feel deliberate and monumental. The valley lies within the Navajo Nation and is managed as a tribal park. This is not a national park in the federal system. It is Navajo land, governed and protected by the community that has lived here for generations. That distinction shapes how the place is presented and understood. The formations themselves are the result of long geological processes. Layers of sandstone were deposited, compressed, and later eroded by wind and water. Over time, softer material wore away, leaving behind the tall, freestanding structures that define the valley today. Their flat tops and vertical sides give the landscape a stark, architectural quality. Many of the formations have names that reflect their shape or traditional stories. Each one stands apart from the other, separated by open ground, and emphasizes distance and isolation. The spaces between them is just as important as rock itself, reinforcing the sense of scale that defines Monument Valley. For the Navajo people, this landscape is more than scenery. The land is tied to cultural identity, oral history, and spiritual meaning. Stories connected to the formations are passed down through generations, linking specific places to broader teachings about balance, responsibility, and place in the world. Modern recognition of Monument Valley came largely through film and photography. Its distinctive silhouettes became the shorthand for American Southwest, appearing repeatedly in westerns and later productions. While those images brought global attention, they represent only one layer of the valley's identity. Monument Valley is powerful because of its simplicity. Rock, sky, and distance define everything. It is a place where time feels stretched, movement feels measured, and the landscape itself remains a central presence, unchanged, imposing, and deeply connected to the people who call it home.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.